Hey everyone, welcome to Paint the Kitchen Red. I'm Nina and today I'm going to be showing you my authentic chicken curry that my mom makes to this day. I grew up with this recipe and this is one of our favorite curries. It's just really comforting chicken curry and it tastes great with rice or with naan, and I think you're going to love the recipe. I'll show you the ingredients and how to make it. Here are the ingredients for this recipe. You'll need 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil or coconut oil, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 bay leaf, 2-inch cinnamon stick, 3 to 4 whole cloves, 2 chopped onions, that's about 2 cups chopped, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. You can use cayenne pepper, but you might have to adjust the quantity. 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon salt, 3/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs cut into 1.5-inch pieces, or you can use bone-in chicken thighs that are skinless, and that's about 1 kilo. 2 cups of potatoes cut into 1.5-inch cubes. You don't have to add the potatoes, but I really like the taste of potatoes with this curry. Half a cup of low-sodium chicken broth, 1 tablespoon of cashews, or you can use coconut cream or cashew butter. So heat a large pot over medium-high heat, and once it's hot, add the oil. And then once the oil starts to heat up, add the cumin seeds, the bay leaves, the cinnamon stick, and the cloves. You don't want them to burn, so just be careful. Add the onions and stir them up a bit. Add the garlic and the ginger. And you're going to saute the onion, garlic, and ginger until they're nice and brown. You don't want them to burn, but the browning of the onions is what gives this curry its delicious taste. So be patient, and you can add a little bit more oil as needed. If you need to, add a little bit of broth or water to deglaze the pan, and this allows some of those brown bits to be incorporated into the onions a little bit quicker. Add in the tomato paste. You can also mix the tomato paste with just a little broth to make it a little bit thinner and easier to work with. Saute the tomato paste and make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom, and when it starts doing that, add a little bit of broth or water to deglaze the pan. Once the oil separates from the tomatoes, add the coriander, turmeric, Kashmiri chili powder, paprika, salt, pepper, and stir all the spices together. At this point, if you want to turn off the heat, you can do that so the spices don't burn. Add the chicken and the potatoes, and you want to stir so that all the spices coat the chicken and potatoes. Now add the broth and stir all the ingredients together. Turn the heat to medium-low, cover the pot, and let the chicken and potatoes cook until the potatoes are cooked through. You can thicken the curry with coconut cream, cashew butter, or a blended cashew paste. I do this because this is what my mom does, and I like the flavor that it imparts. Add the cashew paste or cream or coconut cream to the cooked curry and stir it in. And finally, what you're going to do is add a little bit of garam masala to give the curry a nice fresh flavor. And I like to add this about a couple of minutes before turning off the heat. You can garnish the curry with cilantro. I hope you enjoy this authentic home-style chicken and potato curry. And thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.